What's going on, guys? It's Roger's Lawn Care here, and today is doing a little something different. I'm here with my buddy Braxton. He has his own lawn care business, YouTube also, B&G Lawn Care. I didn't have to mow this week, so I decided to come along with him to give him a hand, make his days a little easier, a little quicker. But we already knocked a few out this morning. I'm gonna have a few clips in here already showing a bunch of his yards we mow, and then we got this one right here. Don't look as bad in the video. There's a lot of hills. You'll be sliding everywhere. And here's the front yard. You know, it's nice. Chops real good, you know. But we're gonna get this one knocked out real quick. I will have his YouTube video, or I have his YouTube link down in the description. Y'all can go check him out. Give him a subscribe. He's growing pretty good. He's got a lot of good content on his channel. But yeah, go subscribe to him. Check him out. Give him a like and a comment. Tell him y'all came from my channel. But yeah, guys, we're gonna get this yard knocked out. And I'll get back with y'all here in just a minute. guys, so we're here at the last few yards for the day. I got about 3 left, but they're all pretty much connected. Braxton's gonna show me how to get to all of them. He's gonna do the weed eating, I'm gonna do the mowing, put him to work, show him how it's done, you know. Show him how to really use that Husqvarna, you know. But we got these 3 left. I'm gonna try to, I don't know if I'm getting any clips of them or not. He's got to film some extra stuff. He didn't film as much as me today. So it just depends on whether I get any more clips or not today. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for right now. I'll catch you guys back here in a minute. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all I have for the day's video. We had a whole lot of mowing. We knocked out about, I think, 12 yards today. Pretty big yards. Showed a lot of clips today in the day's video. Hope y'all kind of enjoyed this idea. Me helping my buddy out and, you know, knocking some of his yards out. Doing a little something different. Give y'all something different to watch on my channel. I know it gets pretty repetitive seeing the same yards over and over. Yeah, we knocked out his yards pretty fast. Especially having 2 people, it's a lot different than having just, you know, 1 person on all that. Cuts time in half for sure. I was able to take a little lunch in between. You know, usually I ain't got time for lunch. Usually I'm just knocking the yards out as fast as I can. Not even worried about eating. But yeah, guys, go ahead and go down there. Give Braxton a subscribe. His YouTube channel is B&G Lawn Care. He posts just like me, you know, two to three videos a week, YouTube shorts. We work together at the same place also, so we both started doing lawn care on the side, doing YouTube on the side too. So go down there and give him a subscribe. Tell him that you came from my channel. Give him support. Like his videos, all that. He also uploads shorts. Also, I'm not sure if I just said that or not. He uploads shorts and does a little bit of everything. But yeah, we got all that. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I haven't forgot about the giveaway. That's going to be in the next video. I'm going to upload it probably tomorrow. I'm going to do like a 100-hour review on my mower. It's like 100, it's a little over 100 now. But I'm going to do a 100-hour review. A few things changed, and also do the giveaway in that video. So I haven't forgot. Trust me, it's still happening. Guys, select the winner and give all that, you know, do all that. So yeah, guys, pretty much it for this video. If y'all did enjoy, please go there and hit the like and subscribe. If you're new here, hit the bell notification also, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Drop a comment down below if you enjoyed this type of content, if you enjoyed the video, or any new content ideas y'all want to give me, or, you know, any questions, anything. I respond to all my comments that are commented down below. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for today. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend, blessed week, whatever it is for y'all. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.